Okay, we are ready to continue. I give myself like 1 hour for today. At least that will be a success. And we're just gonna jump right back where we left off. Basically, we stopped at adding new functions. So let's see. Yeah, we went through yesterday the math functions. Run a program and see random, yeah. Yeah, fair enough. So let's go. Adding new functions. So far, we have only been using the functions that come with Python, but it is also possible to add new functions. A function definition specifies the name of a new function and the sequence of statements that execute when the function is called. Once we define a function, we can reuse the function over and over throughout our program. Here is an example. Def, print lyrics. Def is a keyword indicates that this is a function definition. The name of the function is print lyrics. The rules for function names are the same as for variable names. Letters, numbers, and some punctuation marks are legal, but the first character cannot be a number. You cannot use a keyword as the name of a function, and you should avoid having a variable and function with the same name. The empty parentheses after the name indicate that this function doesn't take any arguments. Later we will build functions that take arguments as their inputs. The first line of the function definition is called the header. The rest is called the body. The header has to end with a colon and the body has to be indented. By convention, the indentation is always 4 spaces. The body can contain any number of statements. If you type a function definition in interactive mode, the interpreter prints ellipses to let you know that the definition isn't complete. To end the function, you have to enter an empty line. This is not necessary in a script. Defining a function creates a variable with the same name. The value of print lyrics is a function object which has type. Okay. The syntax for calling the new function is the same as for built-in functions. I am a lumberjack and I'm okay. I sleep all night and I work all day. Once you have defined a function, you can use it inside another function. For example, to repeat the previous refrain, we could write a function called repeat lyrics. Adding new functions. So a new term again, or a glossary in the glossary, is that function definition specifies the name of a new function and a function definition specifies the name of a new function and the sequence of statements that execute when the function is called. A function definition. Once we define a function, we can reuse the function over and over throughout our program. Here's an example. Okay, so we use the def. We're gonna define, so we're gonna use the def, and it's gonna be the name of the function. So we can even create our own. So show me the champion of the light, herald of darkness. So we can do this, absolutely. Herald, yeah, it's fine. Herald of darkness. Sorry. So we have to use these little things here. So def indicates that this is a function definition. The name of the function is print_lyrics. The rules for function names are the same as for variable names. Letters, numbers, and some punctuation marks are legal, but the first character cannot be a number. You can't use a keyword as the name of the function, and you should avoid having a variable and a function with the same name. The empty parentheses after the name indicates that this function doesn't have any arguments. Later we will build functions that take arguments as their inputs. Okay, so for now, this is like very basic way of creating a definition, creating a function definition basically. And so it's gonna print show me the champion of the light. I'll show you the herald of darkness, right? This is how it goes. But see, he uses different quotation marks. Is this mean something or it doesn't mean anything? The first line of the function defined is called the header. The rest is called the body. The header has to end with a colon and the body has to be indented. Yeah, makes sense, right? Let's see. So let's play this. Nothing is happening. I guess I should play. So now I should end the program with print herald of darkness, right? I guess. Yeah, print the function. See, yeah, this it's nice. This VS Code is really helping you a lot. The rules of the function. The first line of the, if you type function in interactive mode, the interpreter prints ellipses to let you know it's incomplete. To end the function, you have to enter an empty line. This is not necessary in a script. Define a function creates a variable with the same name. Function print lyrics. The value of print lyrics is a function object which has type function. Okay. So actually it's like we are getting the same results. The syntax for calling the new function is the same for built-in functions. Once you have, okay. So I don't have to actually print it. So I just have to like the syntax for calling the new function is the same as for built-in functions. So I just have to enter like this. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah, see? Okay. Okay, I'm cold now. I was warm before, but now I'm cold. Okay, what did we learn from this? We need to take the keynotes and also we need to take them from our own words. I'm gonna just use my own. So this is something you can get used to actually, to use your own references instead of using from the book. Where is I lost the VS Code. Or can I, what happens if I just copy it from here? Please, can I just do my job? Yes, see? This is much better. I mean, it's a kind of weird character, but it's okay. So that's it. So, can I write on this? So it would be nice to actually like be able to like write like to. I'm losing track again. Okay. This is the correct code. I'm not gonna touch the code itself. And see, now I lost the initial. So always, so definition is the function definition. The first line, I want to write it next to it, to be honest. Yeah, I shouldn't Google this. Ah, this is so cool. Do I have some like a rubber shit which I could use? That would be so cool. I'm gonna see. See, guys, this is the perfect example of ADHD. Pencil for does not have an integer, which means it may not work as the same. Therefore, if you're looking for a, however, you can still use a capacitive type such as Lenovo Active Pen. Why is it so expensive? Why is it? What is wrong with you? Capacitive. I just need a capacitive stylus. But do I have? I think I had somewhere. See, 190 crowns or 60 crowns. Is Temu legit? Everything is so slow. Yeah, let's buy it from Oza.